Have you been ghosted before? Did you experience having a coaching conversation, a discovery call with a client, and all of a sudden you left in a void because the client ghosted you? Maybe you're having somebody in a conversation or an existing client, and all of a sudden the client never showed up again, and you are left in the dark and you don't know what just happened. If you experience that, then this conversation in our episode 77 of the 100 Days Coaching Toolkit Mastery Challenge here in my YouTube channel is perfect for you. Today's toolkit is Self-Discovery Toolkit, and you can snag this toolkit for free for a limited time offer simply because I want you to learn how to grow and level up your coaching practice in the second fastest growing industry called life coaching. Let's dive in for today's conversation. Welcome once again. This is Master Coach A, and if we're meeting for the first time, I am a coaching entrepreneur, and since 2017, I've been helping individuals to become a professional certified life coach and to grow their business, not just for themselves, but also for the people they want to serve and for the community they look to see a transformation. Now, one of the things that really frustrate a coaching professional, maybe that's you, and if that's you, please give me a comment and say, me. Okay? And one of the many frustrations that a coaching professional, a coaching enthusiast, or a newly certified, a newly graduate coaching personality or a person is like being ghosted. Like you are out there and you are so excited, you want to serve and you learn it, you've got a niche, you got a person, and boom, after a seemingly wonderful conversations, the person is gone. So I'm sharing with you today a self-discovery toolkit, and this toolkit will help you nail the reason, okay? So this toolkit will help you nail the reason, okay, why your coaching client or maybe your prospected client ghosted you. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, this Self-Discovery Toolkit will allow you to walk through the client and see where the overwhelm is coming from even before you get started. Now, did you know that ghosting is an emotional response? It is a coping response. And most of the time, the very reason a person, a client ghosting you is because of fear of rejection, because of a feeling of being overwhelmed, or a feeling of this is not for me. And so most of the time when we give them the toolkit, maybe when we give them the assessment, they just vanish. And so this toolkit that I am sharing with you today is perfect because in this toolkit, they will feel safe. Now, I want to dive in and make you understand that ghosting is a signal, okay? Ghosting is a signal, an emotional signal for you to look into what the clients, your potential client, your market, your avatar, your ICA or ideal client avatar is truly looking for. So I know it can be frustrating. I know that the impact could be super in you, and you want to throw the towel because it feels like probably you've been ghosted a lot of times, okay? So one of the things that I want you to understand is that, yes, okay, there are things that you need to recalibrate, there are things that you need to adjust, but one thing, okay, one thing that you can be grateful, when a client ghosted you, if you have experienced ghosting, then you have received, congratulations, you just received a very good, loud and clear signal of what your market, what your perfect client is screaming for help. Yes, okay? You probably lost one, you probably lost two, three, but honestly, it's not lost. It's maybe not yet, maybe not this time, but if you do this right, okay, you can give it a try and send the client this toolkit that I'm sharing with you in this episode. But one thing that you need to frame in your mind is the truth that when a client, when a person ghosts you or they're ghosting you, probably it's still happening right now, they are telling you something. They are telling you that I need help. They're telling you that I need support. They're telling you that I'm scared. They're telling you that I'm not confident yet. Okay? Maybe not with you. Maybe with themselves. Maybe with their circumstances. Maybe with the truth that they've never received help in their life. And so one tip that I will tell you, okay, this is what I've been telling my students, my graduates in Co-Actively Co-Create Life Coach Certification Program. I've been telling them, okay, that giving value is the first thing in growing this business. Give your clients value. Oftentimes, we are so excited, we are up in there, and we want to proceed with the coaching toolkit, with a coaching model. We want to deliver, we want to serve, and it's really good. But okay, for clients, especially for those who are mentally challenged, they want to receive so much value from us so that we get to earn their trust. Okay? So use the toolkit that I'm sharing in this episode. Make it a safe space for them. Make them safe. Make them comfortable with you. Make them know that help is available and it's okay. It's okay if they're not ready. It's okay if they're not yet comfortable, feeling confident that they can start the journey. It's okay. It's okay because you're there. You're there. And all the signal that you're supposed to be giving them is this. Help is available. I am here to help. This is Master Coach A, and I'm inviting you to take a look at Life Coach Philippines International. Visit our website, www.lifecoachphilippines, and see what Co-Actively Co-Create Life Coach Certification Program got to offer for you. If you are a coaching enthusiast, you are a coaching professional, maybe you have been certified many years back by me, or maybe you are coming from different organizations, you are welcome to take a look at what we're doing here in Life Coach Philippines. You need help, help is available, and I love to work with you. Drop me a message, let me know how I can help you. This profession is thriving. We are registering a double-digit growth since 2016. We are still hailed as the second fastest growing industry in the world. The world is needing us. 8 billion people in the entire world, and there are only 100,000 professional life coaches. The world is open. A lot of opportunities is waiting for you and for me. And so if you have been ghosted, don't lose help. Don't lose help. Don't lose help. What does it mean? Don't lose that word help. Because you can get help, and when you get help, you can help your client. This is Master Coach A, episode 77. I'll see you again tomorrow for episode 78. Bye for now.